Nimeachwa hapa mimi ndo napika, and so today is my favorite, and I believe it's favorite for so many of us, and that is ngege nyamani, and we call it nyangiao, that is tilapia, and that's what we're going to have today for supper. And so like you see, things are ready. So today we're just going to do it natural, so it's just mafuta, onions and tomatoes, and our stew will be ready but in a few. So stay tuned, you will see how it's gonna be. And so I believe many of you might be asking, why am I boiling it? It depends. Me, I don't like, the original, oil. I mean, there is the oil yenye imekuwa deep fried now, and so I'm just also boiling it also to soften it a little bit for the kids, also to make a very nice and tender and soft meat for the kids, because we don't live only adults. We have young ones who also need stew, need supu mzuri, so it has to be boiled a little bit to make the meat softer, and also just to at least also to what do you call it, for the to neutralize a little bit of the like you see there is an oil there, so this is the oil that was it was deep fried with, and so your oil kidogo inakuwa a little bit to some people. And if you've ever had someone amekula fish na kasikia tumbo inamuuma, most of the time is not the acid in the fish, most of the time it is the oil that is used. So it is, if it is overused, the oil might become poisonous because of maybe germs and dirt and everything like that, even though there are people whom that doesn't bother them. Like you can see I've not put any oil in the fish, but that is the oil that it was deep fried with. That's what you can see on that water. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna cook this today, but stay tuned, I will show you how well it is. And so once again my tomatoes, just going to keep it natural, it's an African thing, keep it organic, simple and smart. Stay tuned. Now, as you can see, what started as a dream has come true. So see, my fish, hi man, hi. That thing is sweet, and see my ugali is here, and it's hot like, yeah. So nisikie tu mtu anasema ati iha. So that's how we do it. It's fresh, it's okay, it's ready to hit the stomach like nothing else or something else. Next time.